Hey guys, today we're gonna make witch head. For this project, we will need purple, yellow, and black. You will also need a 3D printing pen. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, we're gonna make a circle you can draw by hand, or if you have template ruler like this, you can choose any size you like. Today I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna take a piece of paper, make the top of the head. This is my template, so this will be the top of the head. So I think this would be the size that I wanted. Now I'm gonna make this part first and then come back and make this circle. Finish our witch head. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.